Hey toy friends, welcome back to I Heart Fairies 1982 toy reviews. Today I have something awesome. This is the Peppa Pig Peppa's House Construction Set. I found this at Toys R Us. This includes 4 figures, Peppa, George, Mummy, and Daddy. This set is for ages 2 to 5 years old, has 107 pieces, and it's great for open-ended play. So let's take a look at the box. Okay guys, so here is the back of the box. It's pretty huge. It shows the 3-story house and all the characters and their rooms. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what it looks like. Okay guys, let's go ahead and see what is in the box. There are some instructions here that are going to show us how to put the house together. There's a ladder and several larger boards, and these do look a lot like DUPLOs or Mega Blocks. So I hope that they work with our other DUPLO sets. The 4 characters come in these plastic bags. So let's go ahead and get those out and look at those. Here is George. Super cute. His legs move so he can sit, and his arms are articulated at the shoulder. They're pretty loose though. I don't know if he has anything to hold. We'll have to check that out. But he looks just like George from the cartoon, so he's super, super cute. Also, here is Daddy Pig. I love Daddy Pig. He cracks me up. There is Daddy Pig. His eyeglasses. He's not as round as Daddy Pig. That's okay. His arms also move up at the shoulder, and he can also sit. And there's his squiggly little pink tail on the back. Really fun. I like his little whiskers. That's cute. Put him over here by George. Here is Mummy Pig. There is Mummy Pig, her little orange outfit and shoes. And her arms are also articulated at the shoulder with her squirrely little tail there. And last, but certainly not least, is Peppa. Orion, I don't ever remember seeing you on Peppa Pig. There is Peppa, wearing red, like Peppa usually does. So cute. And her little squiggly tail. Really fun. I actually like these characters better than a lot of the Peppa Pig characters I've seen. So that's one of the reasons I really liked this set. So then there's 2 big, giant bags of building blocks. And I think that there should be a sticker sheet. Maybe it's in the instructions. Yep, there it is. So here is the sticker sheet. This is super fun, and it looks just like the drawing on Peppa Pig, so that'll be super fun. Okay guys, let's get it put together. So, Peppa's house has turned out. Let me start with the bottom here. You can see the kitchen, and it's really cute because it has the little pull-out drawers where you can stash little things. I put a little birdhouse clock here. There's a sheet full of stickers. You can see mine is almost empty because I used a lot of them. And over here, you can see there is a chair and a table, and there's 2 big cups. But I did have a really hard time getting any of the characters to hold these, but they are really cute. So those fit on the table. This is what the table looks like. And there are stickers for a stove for Mummy Pig, and some teapots and other things. Then when you look at the stairs, there's Daddy Pig upstairs in the children's room. And this is really cute sticker because you can put Teddy Playgroup on here. There's also Goldie the Goldfish. I really like that. And then there's lots of different stickers for blocks and trains and a bin and clocks. And there's George in his dinosaur bed. Super, super fun. There's another Teddy Playgroup. Then when you go upstairs, hey Peppa, there's a barbecue in a teapot, some flowers, and there's another table with an umbrella. I put some, I don't know if you can see that, cupcakes on mine. Really, really super cute. So let's go ahead and turn the house around. This is what it looks like from the side. It's pretty big. So here in the front is a muddy puddle, and the windows open and close. All of them do that. Really cute. And there's all kinds of stickers that you can put on here to make a really cute garden. There's butterflies and vegetables and all sorts of things. I put an owl and a little bird. And then over on this side is the front door that you can use to go in and out of. So I really, really like this set. I think it's super, super cute. I can't wait to play with it. I know it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Make sure to leave me a comment and let me know which room is your favorite. Let me know if you have this play set and if you like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.